What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So sorry if this lighting's a little weird. I'm doing a video from my sister's house right now. So I had to come on and do this video to help kind of prove to some of you Robinhood users just why Robinhood doesn't really have their stuff together. Whatever they do with their brokerage company, they don't quite have it all together. And I'm going to show you why. So to give you some context to this video, probably a couple months ago, I was using Robinhood for some options trading. And I had over the $25,000 mark. So I was actively trading on Robinhood, in and out, multiple trades a day, using it for some options trades. So of course I had, used up all the day trade limits, which are, 3-day trades within a 5-day trading period. So to guys kind of give you some insight on the PDT rule to help you understand the pattern day trading rule. The pattern day trading rule is you are allowed 3-day trades within a 5-day trading period. So you're allowed 3-day trades within 1 week time frame. What does a day trade look like? A day trade looks like you buying shares in a company and selling shares of those company that same day. So for example, let's say I bought Apple today. I bought 1 share and then I sold that 1 share a minute later. That would count as a day trade. I could do that 2 more times on that same day, and then that would classify 3-day trades. And that had already taken place within the week, okay? So again, the pattern day trade rule allows anybody that is on a margin account, they're only allowed to do 3-day trades within a 5-day trading period. So another way to put it is you could buy 1 share of Apple and sell that same share of Apple on Monday. That's 1-day trade. You could go to Tuesday, buy 1 share of Apple, sell that same share of Apple same day. That is 2-day trades. You could buy another share of Apple and sell the same share of Apple same day on Wednesday, and that would count as your 3rd-day trade within that 1 week time period or within that 5-day trading period. As you know, the market's only open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's 5 days. That is your 5-day trading period. You're only allowed to do 3-day trades within a 5-day trading period. So if you traded day trade on Monday, day trade on Tuesday, day trade on Wednesday, you will not be able to day trade Thursday or Friday. Come the following week, Monday, you'll have 1 day trade available. Go to Tuesday, you'll have 1 day trade available. Go to Thursday, you'd have 1 day trade available. Then Thursday and Friday, you wouldn't be able to trade, okay? So hopefully that now is come clear. So back when I was using Robinhood not too long ago to do some options trading because it's free, so why not? I was trading active in and out, and then I did take a position that I ended up losing quite a bit of money, and that brought me below $25,000. And then what happened is they restricted my account, okay, because I was a pattern day trader. Okay, a pattern day trader is somebody who trades more than 3 times within a 5-day trading period. So whether or not you have over 25,000 or you have $1 million in your account, if you trade more than 3 times within a 5-day trading period, you are classified as a pattern day trader. You are flagged as a pattern day trader. You are a pattern day trader, okay? If you don't have $25,000 or more and you are flagged as a pattern day trader, your account is then restricted, okay? If you have more than $25,000 and you're flagged as a pattern day trader, you are just flagged as a pattern day trader. Your account is not restricted, okay? People are getting that confused. You're only restricted if you don't have an account value of $25,000 plus. Here's another lesson. If you are flagged as a pattern day trader and you have more than $25,000 in your account, and then the value of your account drops below $25,000, your account will be restricted under the pattern day trading rule, which is if you are flagged and you don't have $25,000, your account will be restricted from trading up to 90 days, okay? So when my account value on Robinhood dropped below $25,000, since I'd already been flagged as a pattern day trader, they then restricted my account for trading for 90 days. Fine, I know the rules. All I have to do is put more money into my account and get it back over $25,000. That is the rule, that if your account drops below $25,000, all you have to do is deposit more money to bring your account value up above $25,000, and then the restriction on your trading will be lifted and you will be able to trade again. That is the rule. I've done it with TD Ameritrade. I've dropped below that limit and I brought it back up and I'm able to trade the next day. Robinhood, on the other hand, is the broker that I've experienced in which they don't do this. So realistically, they're not following the rule themselves, okay? They restrict us, make us abide by the rule, but then they don't follow the rules when we put the money back into our account to bring the value up. And I'm going to show that to you right now. So this is another reason as to why Robinhood kind of sucks, okay? They're good, and then they have their downfalls, okay? And then, again, nothing comes free. And the reason I believe that Robinhood does this is because Robinhood attracts to millennials and to a lower, shall I say, lower income group. Most people that use Robinhood don't have $25,000. So Robinhood has had to go through this process of people going under the PDT rule, getting flagged, going back and forth through emails. So they've had so much trouble in regards to traders using their brokerage company and then being locked under PDT, and then people, why can't I trade? It's like, well, that's the law, and you're flagged as a pattern day trader. So I think it's partly due to the fact that there's so many people that use Robinhood, and so many of those people don't have 25,000, and then so many of them have been flagged as pattern day traders, and so many of them have been restricted to the point where Robinhood just says, you know what? If you get restricted, we're just not going to uplift it. We're just going to wait till your 90 days is up, then we'll unrestrict your account. That's what I kind of think is happening behind the scenes. So I'm going to share my screen and show you that Robinhood sucks. All right, so let me go ahead and share this screen here, and you'll see. So here is my account right now, and I'm going to go back to the home screen. So you can clearly see right there that I, in fact, have well over $25,000 in this account. This is my Robinhood account. I have more than $25,000 in this current account. So if we go over to this little, menu drop down, we'll go into history so you guys can see. Right there, I deposited $30,000. Okay, $30,000 came in today. Now we go down to my account, and you will see that is currently still restricted under pattern day trade. It says you are marked as a pattern day trader, so you may place day trades only if your portfolio is above 25,000. So if that's the case, why can't I trade? It says I'm available to trade on October 17th. So let me kind of give you some more context. Remember how I was stating that I was doing options trading and then my account got flagged? Well, this is the story. This is the story behind this. What happened is, again, I dropped below the 25K limit. They restricted my account. Fine, I know the rules. All I have to do is deposit some more money to get it up over 25,000. I did that, and then they still did not unrestrict my account. I went back and forth emailing them, and they basically told me that they're idiots. They don't know how to do their job, and I'm an idiot. No, Robinhood. You guys are the idiots, and whoever's working for you are idiots, because even on your website and on your platform, it clearly states once you have more than $25,000 in your account, we will lift the restriction. And they did not do that the last time. And that's why I pulled all my money out of Robinhood and I stopped trading on them because, well, I don't need to trade on Robinhood. For one, I was using them for the free commission. It was nice, but when they can't properly do their job as a brokerage company, then I don't need to have my money there. So I went back and forth on emails with them, and they're basically saying, well, your account, you got restricted, you're under PDT and you can't trade for the 90 days. So then I sent them an email with the screenshot of their website that clearly states, if you are flagged as a pattern day trader and your account becomes restricted, you need to deposit more money to bring the value up or greater than $25,000, and we will lift the restriction. I sent them a screenshot of that, and they still did not restrict my account. So what did I do? I said, all right, well, you guys clearly are idiots and don't know what you're doing, so I'll just take my money. And of course, I basically brought my account value back down to zero. And that is still why my account is restricted, because just a few months back, I took all my money away from them. I took it all back. And that's why this current account with Robinhood is still restricted. So I figured I'd do this video to show you that Robinhood doesn't know what they're doing. I deposited $30,000. So you can clearly see here, right? You are marked as a pattern day trader. So you may place day trades only if your portfolio value is above 25,000. Well, let's just make sure we're not idiots. And we go back here. Oh, portfolio value, $30,000. So if it's above 25,000, it's actually $5,000 more. Why am I still restricted? Now, there is something that this may kind of play a role in, and I'm going to do a recap video just to make sure. But it's also possible that I deposited the funds Monday morning. It's now Thursday, so it's possible that they still haven't fully settled. And there's some other things to it that could actually play a role in it being unrestricted. but chances are not likely because I did it months ago and they still didn't restrict it. So I figured I'd come out and show you this video. Now I want to pull up their website. I believe it. I have it. Still have it. No, maybe no. I don't have it pulled up anymore. But that's okay. If you were to go to Robinhood, or you go onto Google right now and you type in on Google pattern day trade or PDT Robinhood, you can go to their website, scroll down the page, and it will clearly state that if your account value drops below $25,000 and you're flagged as a pattern day trader, you will be restricted from trading until you raise your account value up and above $25,000, as is stated right here on their application. Here's my portfolio, $30,000. And again, here's my account. You scroll down, $30,000 cash, $30,000, $30,000, $30,000, 36. Okay, you keep going down, and you can clearly say it's still restricted, even though they mention as long as it's above 25,000, we will unrestrict your account. So, you know, what can you say? Robinhood, are they good? Yeah, they're good for the free commission. As we recently just found out, they sell order flow to their users. So again, basically they're selling your information to high frequency trading machines so that the high frequency trading machines can get in before you and then sell your shares. So you're still getting a free commission, but you are paying in the end, in the long run, because Robinhood is actually selling your information in order flow to high frequency trading machines. The high frequency trading traders and companies actually pay Robinhood so that they can capture this information from them so that they can get or sell you shares before you even buy them, essentially, is what's going on there. Okay, so at the end of the day, is Robinhood good? It is good for the free commission, but at the end of the day, do they know what they're doing over there at Robinhood? No, they kind of suck at their job, and there's no debating that. They clearly don't know what they're doing, because it clearly states on their application and it clearly states on their website, if your account value is brought up above 25,000, we'll unrestrict your account. And as you can see, clearly they don't do that. So we know, for one, they're not even doing their job. And I don't want to say they're breaking the law or they're not following the law, but they kind of are, because the PDT, or the pattern day trading rule, is set in place by the Securities and Exchange Commission. They're the ones who made the law. They state that if you trade X amount of times without $25,000 in your account, you'll be flagged as a pattern day trader and your account will be restricted. And then the law also states that if you then deposit more than $25,000, we will unrestrict that pattern day trading 90-day restriction, in which they clearly haven't done so. So is it kind of like they're not following the law? That's up for you to judge. I would say kind of, maybe not at the same time, but at the end of the day, we all clearly can see that they don't know how to do their job correctly. So I thought I would come out and just share this video for you guys so you can clearly see that Robinhood does kind of suck, right? So please let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will also do another video on this particular subject. When my account is unrestricted, I will come back and do a video for you to show you that when you have an account above 25,000 and you make 3-day trades in a 5-day trading period, you will be marked as a pattern day trader. Don't get that mistaken. Whether or not you have more or less than 25,000, you're still flagged as a pattern day trader if you make more than 3-day trades in a 5-day trading period. Again, being flagged as a pattern day trader doesn't mean you're restricted. It just means, hey, you've been marked as, you're being classified as a pattern day trader, so that if your account is not above 25,000, we can then eventually restrict your account if you don't follow the rule. But if you're above, you won't get restricted, even though you are a pattern day trader. So again, please let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and always make sure to check out the description box of this video, as you can join into our free stock trading chat room that has probably around 7,000 traders, some of us very advanced. With that being said, thank you guys once again for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.